Hi, this video is going to give you a highlight of our 2024 summer programs. This video consists of 4 portions. The first one is about the characteristics, and second one is to give you a list of grade 5 to 8 summer programs, and followed by the grade 8 to 12. And the last portion is to cover the special advanced programs we've created every summer for advanced students. Now, let's start with our characteristics. Now, characteristics 1, all our programs consist of robotics. They all are hand-on projects and software developments for grade 5 to 12.
Now, characteristic 2, our programs emphasize beyond just memorization and syntax recall in robotics and programming. Instead, our focus is on developing the computational thinking skills. This approach not only enhances competitiveness in STEM activities, but also prepares our high schoolers for internship opportunity as well. Point number 3, our programs are crafted around hands-on open-ended projects that yield tangible results, and students consistently enjoy applying high-order thinking skills and gradually making them a second nature through engaging the activities. That means that you're doing the fun stuff and challenging their mind without even knowing it. Characteristic 4, we provide a platform for progressive advancement. This ensures continuous growth towards reaching each student's full potential. We facilitate students to advance from one level to another within the same week, so no one is going to be confined in the same level. Within even the same week, they can advance to the next level. Characteristic 5, our schedule offers flexibility to sign up for either the morning sessions 9 to 12 or the afternoon session from 1 to 4, or both. Plus, you will enjoy a significant discount when registering for both AM and PM sessions on the same day. Now, prerequisites. In order to join our program, all newcomers are required to take a brief 45-minute assessment, which focusing on simple spatial and logical reasoning. Alternatively, you can submit a standardized test as well. Please visit our website, and it is on the right top corner in our main page. Our summer programs caters to 2 main groups, grade 5 to 8 and grades 8 to 12. For grade 5 to 8, the curriculum includes 3 categories: robotic projects ranging from B to 2, and a special collaborative and challenging face-off week as well, and computer science emphasizing programming beyond coding, level B and 1, and 5 weeks as the robotic competitive program as well. Now, for grade 8 to 12, the curriculum comprises 3 main categories again: the robotic projects, spanning from B to 1, and under the software development group, and we have the programming with computational thinking, and following our successful algorithm programming classes during the school year, they span from level B to 4, but then during summertime, we only offer from B to 3. And it also has the Advanced Placement Computer Science A program too. This is the only online program that we offer in this summer. And third category consists of advanced projects programs, which will be discussed further in details in the later segments of the slide. Let's go further detail about individual program under 5 to 8. It has 4 groups: the robotic projects B to 2, the programming beyond coding B to 1, the Zero Robotics competition, and a face-off week with prizes, by the way. For robotic projects, now which one should I pick then? If you are returning students, you should pick up where you left off from the term before the summer, and you will continue the advance to reach your full potential. And then if you reach level 2, you will automatically join the competition group in the fall term. Now, if you are new to storming robots, now which one you going to start with then? Now, first of all, you ask yourself if you have a very little or no experience in robotics, or even though you have robotic experience and it's limited to Lego or blockly programming, you definitely should start with level B. Otherwise, if you have some level of experience in Arduino C or design with flowchart, however, if you don't have that or very little experience in that, you definitely have to start with LB level. Otherwise, you may be to start with LBN1. Now, let's say you're very comfortable with that, and then you have to ask yourself, have you done a good amount of programming, the color sensors, distance sensors, or some basic motion control in C and C++? If you feel very uneasy in that, you should start with the BN1. Otherwise, you can definitely join our level 1 and 2 as well. Now, about C Robotics. C Robotics is developed by MIT. It offers a parallel opportunity for teams to program a NASA satellite in a simulation environment. This offers truly an out-of-the-world opportunity. The final competition will be held aboard on ISS in early August. Teams' code will be uploaded onto physical satellites for competition and refereed by an astronaut. How cool is that, right? Very exciting indeed. To join Storming Robots for these competitions, you must meet the prerequisite equivalent to our robotic projects level 2 or pass our Z robotic entrance test. Some grade 6 to 8 students at Storming Robots have met the qualification. They have already been invited to join the competition group. For others, please apply online. You will find the application link from the top right corner of our website. Next is the computer science, that is programming beyond just coding. We introduced this back in the winter term of 2024. This program aims to enhance middle schoolers' computer science skills. It's designed to prepare them for potential participation in the American Computer Science League competition junior division. And that junior divisions requires for age from grade like 6 to 9. Now this summer we're introducing an exciting Face Off Challenge Week. This is the single week filled with fun troubleshooting activities. Each day will feature robotics and programming challenges and troubleshooting problems, and also we'll be giving out rewards and prizes for achievers too. Let's get into further about individual programs under grade 8 to 12. Now it has 3 groups. The software development groups for level B3. I would like to emphasize this programming course though. This is particularly important as it builds the core foundation leading to all other activities that we offer in the high school groups. And the next one is robotic projects to level B1. And then the last one is the advanced placement of computer science A. Now, each course has its own set of prerequisites. Some require level B, or some require level 1 in our algorithmic programming track. And please make sure you see the syllabus to see the details in each level. Alternatively, you can always sign up for a programming test. One thing you can rest assured though, once you are enrolled, students will be placed in a level that best suitable for their abilities. And the program is designed to continuously challenge you and advance you at your own learning pace. Now, let's start with the programming track. To see which level you're in, please check out the syllabus from our home site. Level B is for beginners. You just need to pass our 45 minutes assessment test and you will be entitled to take that class at level B. You can apply online, or at the same time you can contact us and we will arrange a phone call with your child to help you to decide which level as well. Now, if you have not done over a year of text-based programming, the chances that it's kind of safe assumption that you will need to start with level B. But nevertheless, please give us a call, and then we'll be more than happy to arrange a time that you can speak to one of our instructors so that we can help you to decide which level to start with. Now, for AP ComSci A, this course caters students who are interested in taking the AP ComSci A in 2025. We are very happy to inform you that majority of our students reported back to us they all achieved the maximum score 5 in the exam. Now, this is the only class that we offer online in this summer. Now, for robotic projects level 1 or beta 1, students will engage in robotics projects using the native Arduino C and C++ libraries. And you should have possessed the programming skill equivalent to our programming level 1. And again, the students reaching level 1 will also gain eligibility to join our robotic competition group in the school year too. Now, finally, the last couple of them we need to cover are the 2 advanced projects. As part of Storming Robots tradition in each summer, we always try to provide a couple of advanced projects which involve a mechanic, electronic, and very demanding software development skill. This year, we have 2 advanced programs. Their prerequisites include the programming class level 1 or equivalent. Again, please check out the syllabus from our website to view what level 1 entails. And alternatively, of course, you can always contact us and we can have you sign up for a programming test as well. Now, the first one of the 2 is the computer vision course. You will learn to work in the Linux environment on Raspberry Pi. Linux is a ubiquitous platform extensively used in college, academia, and various industries. So it will make this skill set very highly valuable and versatile. Throughout the course, you will master the basics of Python effectively and work with the powerful OpenCV libraries such as NumPy. Computer vision is a very crucial technology that lays the groundwork before diving into complexities of machine learning as well. Besides, it is also one major technique that required in most of our advanced robotic competitions taking place in the school year. Here's a 6-minute video to give you a glimpse of what the computer vision class entails, and this slide shows the shortcut link. Now, the second one is the remote visual control robotics. Now, this is our new exciting program. In this course, you will delve into remote robot operations. Now, but one thing's very different. You really can't actually see the robot. You will build robots equipped with onboard sensors and cameras for intelligent navigation and a handheld controller embedded with IMU. You yourself will write your own controlling code. You're not going to use some controller which come with the software at all. So that will be really giving you a full capability, exactly how you would like to control your navigation. You will gain the knowledge in network socket communication using Wi-Fi between controllers, both in the unidirectional and bidirectional control. Now, through hands-on projects, you'll be able to control the remote robot movements through the live feedbacks from the robot itself. So you will gain the experience in a real-time visualization of the remote engine's path. This class is not for faint-hearted though. We are inviting those who are passionate about tinkering with robots and diving deep into software development. This workshop offers the perfect environment for you to expand your skills and connect with the like-minded individuals as well. Now here shows the link to our 3.5-minute video, which will also give you a glimpse of what this course entails. Finally, to conclude this video, we want to point you to the full scheduled cost table and more detailed description. The site is https://summer.stormingrobots.com. And the next page, of course, we'd like to show you some of the savings. Now here shows a few scenarios illustrating the savings potential when signing up for our summer programs. Early bird discount, sibling, multi-sessions, and referral discount. And also is to sign up both AM, PM on the same day would give you the most significant discount as well. This concludes our slide. Please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for listening.